Okay, let's talk about camcorders. Like camcorders. Like the things we had 10 years ago before we had phones everywhere filming stuff. Like they are the height of nostalgia, the fabric of memory. They are the texture of our sort of best and worst days. And I love them. And I've never really talked about them on this channel, but I do have a handful of them myself. And the reason this is coming as a point to make at this moment is because I have this hard drive here. And on this hard drive, which I have not looked at in a decade, is a bunch of footage from the Canon Vixia HV30 that I shot in 2011 on a trip to see my dad. I mean, there's like 53 tapes of footage on this drive. I am just so grateful, A, that I shot it, but B, that I got out of my own way because I knew it wasn't going to be like cinematic good footage. I was like, I just want to document and I don't care if it's good. So I grabbed this camcorder, which was not expensive. I grabbed like a cheap mic and I just went out and captured this footage. And so as like an homage to the HV30, which is a great camera and will probably be making its way back into my collection, I put this little video together, kind of like a highlight reel of the trip, but also just in the spirit of getting out of your own way, I put it to a track that I made on a MacBook G4, like circa 2008 or something. It's a really old computer. You can get it for $100 online. I looked. And I used the built-in GarageBand with its built-in loops. In other words, I spent no money composing this crappy little thumbnail sketch of a song. And I didn't even have a microphone. I just sang into the inbuilt computer speaker mic situation. I say this all just to encourage you to make. It doesn't matter what your tools are. This whole channel is about no bad cameras. There are no bad cameras. There are no bad camcorders. Like, as long as you're out there making, it doesn't matter. And who cares if it's good or not? It's not the point. It's about the process. Go out there, do great things with what you've got, and enjoy. Okay, that's it. I will be having another review coming up, but until then, here's my ridiculous little thumbnail sketch, song/film, Tahiti circa 2011.
Forgive yourself for not being everything you thought you had to be. Forgive yourself for falling short. You could